English alphabets and British English. In Pakistan, many teachers at schools, colleges, and even universities teach English with the wrong pronunciation. Even when a child is taught English at school, he is started with a wrong beginning, because the first letter of English alphabet, A, is taught with the wrong pronunciation. It is taught A, but actually its correct pronunciation is A. A lot of spoken English mistakes can be corrected if we learn the correct pronunciation of English alphabets from A to Z. Now we take them one by one. A. Now we are talking about the letter A. A is wrong pronunciation, but its correct pronunciation is A. So, a lot of spoken English mistakes can be corrected by learning the correct pronunciation of the first letter A by pronouncing it as A rather than A. For example, now here is table is given. In this table, in the first column, the words have been given. And the second column, Pakistani English, that I call wrong pronunciation, is given. And in the third column, British English, that the right pronunciation, correct pronunciation has been given. Now the first word is N-A-M-E, name, not name. In Pakistani English we say it as name, but name is not correct. The correct pronunciation is name. D-A-T-E is not date, but date. L-A-T is not late, but late. G-A-T is not gate, but gate. S-A-M-E is not same, but same. D-A-Y is not day, but day. S-A-Y is not say, but say. N-A-T-I-O-N, nation is correct, but not nation. In Pakistani English, we say nation. This is not correct pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is nation. Then the next word, V-I-B-R-A-T-I-O-N. This is not vibration, but the correct pronunciation is vibration. The next word is P-R-O-N-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N. Not pronunciation, but pronunciation. Not only the letter A is pronounced wrongly, but some other letters are also used so. So we talk about them now. Letter O is also pronounced wrongly as O, but its correct pronunciation is O. So, a lot of spoken English mistakes can be rectified by learning the correct pronunciation of the letter O by pronouncing it as O rather than O. For example, now once again a table has been given. In this table, the first word is O-H. It is not O, but O. S-O is not so, but so. MOR is not more but mo. MOST is not most but most. HOM is not home but home. ALON is not alone but alone. CLOS is not close but close. ROP is not rope but rope. Now the next word SOAP is not soap but soap. ROAD is not road but road. Letter V is also pronounced wrongly as V.